Well, I probably shouldn't say this, but I told him he shouldn't do the deal because it doesn't make any sense. My opinion, and my friends, I have a lot of friends at Gap still, but it doesn't work for someone like Kanye. He's not a corporate person, and Gap's a big corporation. And so I know the jacket sold out. They did $7 million on the one jacket overnight. No zipper, no nothing. I mean, try to be warm with no zipper. But
I need the zipper.
They left out the zipper. Well, he's a smart guy, but he should have done it. And I don't think they should have done it either. And I hope my friend Mark's not mad at me. We'll see what happens. It's very, very hard culturally to do what he's trying to do. So see what happens.
I'm not surprised ever with this. Doesn't surprise me. And I'm giving them the play a little bit. I'm giving you I just got to keep it 100, man. I'm giving you racist white people the play a little bit. Y'all be showing yourselves, and you're so racist, you don't even realize it. Culturally, it doesn't work. Bro, why would you say culturally, man? Why? I'm going to tell y'all why. I'm going to go into it on this video. I'm not going to talk to y'all about who Mickey Drexler is. I'm not going to talk to y'all about who Kanye West is. I'm going to talk to y'all about why this line of thinking is going to have these people lose more money than they lost during the coronavirus pandemic. These people are going to be broke if they keep thinking like this. They better wake the fuck up. Y'all stay locked in.
My ducks, my swans, welcome to the pond.
My name is Dorian from Group82University.com, and right here, we got a racist white man telling a black man that it's not going to work because of cultural differences. Okay, so Mickey Drexler, whatever. I don't need to know your background. Looked at it a little bit. Typical, same thing. I understand what you're saying in this. Kanye is an artist. He's creative. He's outspoken. He's one of one. He's unpredictable. All these things that inside of a corporate boardroom you don't want, because if you can't predict things, you can't control, you can't forecast, you can't make projections, you can't get funding, whether it's through the stock market or it's private. Why would the Gap need funding? It's the Gap. You know why the Gap needs funding? Because the Gap sucks. That's why. No one shops there anymore. It's trash. Y'all had to close 100 stores last year for a reason. Don't just blame the pandemic. Your clothes stink. That's why. Pre-Kanye, y'all let me know the last time something sold completely out at the Gap. Y'all just signed my man to a 10-year deal where y'all hope he's going to make $1 billion in revenue over the next 10 years. That means y'all hope he's going to give you $100 million a year. Last year, before the pandemic, 2019, y'all made $4 billion annually. Do you think this man is going to have a significant impact on your bottom line? Bare minimum, this man's gonna make us $100 million. Bare minimum, a year. How is this a bad deal? Culturally, where? Do you want Kanye in the boardroom? Let's ask a better question. Do you think Kanye wants to be in your boring ass, whack ass boardroom? Your boardroom ain't done nothing but take your company to the toilet. To keep it all the way more 100, Mickey Drexler, the only reason people my age even still rocked with the Gap a little bit is because Kanye was talking about it in the spaceship on the College Dropout because he used to work there. He had other songs he talking about in the Gap like Banana Republic and Old Navy. Great branding for y'all on his first album because he used to work there. Y'all still don't get it. Y'all don't understand what black people bring to the table. Still, with crypto going on, with AI rising the way that it is, with people hating banks the way that they are, with these old brands getting repurposed and rebought and sold and all this, you want to say this? That's why you the ex-CEO. You have no vision. You stuck in the 70s, my man. I get it. I get it. What you said about Kanye made sense in the 70s, 80s, 90s, even some of the 2000s. Now, you have Kanye West, who's gonna help you sell clothes. Somebody name me somebody better than that to help you sell clothes. If I wanna sell dope, there's certain people in my life, or that I know of, that I'm gonna call because I know they know how to move some dope. If I wanna sell some clothes, there's a very short list of people that I will want, no question. And Kanye West is on that list. What is wrong with y'all? How racist do you have to be where it gets to the point where it's getting in the way of the money? Oh, it's not racist, it's just what? It's just what? Justifier? What is it? Y'all let me know, because I'm 37 years old. Right? Been around the block a few times, got a lot of life experiences, more than 99% of y'all will ever have. I've met a lot of people been a lot of social situations, been a lot of financial situations. If it ain't racism, then what is it? Someone tell me, what is it? Because it's not idiocy. To be the CEO of a Fortune 500 company, you can't be a complete idiot. Not saying there ain't no idiots out there, but what is it? They're not gonna learn. And I'm not asking them to learn. I don't care. Y'all wanted my opinion on it? I'm giving it. We don't need them to accept us for nothing. We don't need them to understand nothing. We don't need them to know why our culture is so powerful. Whether they want to acknowledge it or not, it is. And it makes a lot of money. I'm getting my piece. You getting yours? Obviously, Mickey Drexler doesn't want any, but the Gap does. And Kanye West does. I appreciate Donald Trump for one reason. He took the Klan mask off. He's allowed a lot of other people to do it too. Keep exposing yourselves. I like it. Y'all go watch another video of mine. Let's keep this train moving. Let's keep the gems a coming. You on Instagram, click that link up top. You on YouTube, click that link in the box. Not the pond. Y'all stay true. Scroll. 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 Group82university.com